Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print titles on all Excel sheets. Let's start by opening up the Excel workbook where you want to print titles on all sheets. I have a sample workbook here containing sales data for different regions. Now, I am going to print this sheet. Press Ctrl+P on the keyboard. In this example, you can see that only one page includes the heading, while the other pages do not. How can we ensure that the title is included on all pages? Select the Page Layout tab at the top of the Excel window. Here, we'll find the option to print titles on all sheets. In the Page Layout tab, you'll see an option called Print Titles in the Page Setup section. Go ahead and click on that. From here, you want to go to the Sheet tab. Select the row or rows that you want to repeat at the top of each printed page. In my example, I want to repeat the first row, which contains my column headers. Then click Print Preview. Now, every sheet have title. Finally, click on OK to apply this setting to all sheets in your workbook. Now, whenever you print any sheet from this workbook, the titles will be included at the top of each page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.